Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really cool looking Titan cat from Battle Cats. Alright, so for this character, let's draw in the shape of the head first, and it's gonna be kind of like a one arc right here. It's almost like a rainbow. And I'll draw the head a little bit bigger. Okay, so once you have this, I'm gonna curve in, and then just come in toward the middle. And then from this head shape, come to the middle of this. Okay, so this will be the middle. I'm gonna come over slightly, draw a little V right there. That's gonna be the nose. And then from the nose, to finish up the snout area, just two curves going out. And then for the mouth, again, another curve right here. So just basically 4 little curves. All right, so once we have that, we're gonna draw in the eyes. So just right from here, just go up. Again, very simple, just 2 little dots. And then now for his ear, just right above the eye. All right, so that's the head, nice and simple. And then now let's draw in the body, and the body is really cool with those big arms. So for the neck, I'm just gonna come down slightly. Now on the shoulder here, I'm gonna come out both sides, and we're gonna draw one of his arms first, and then we'll draw in, actually we'll draw in both the arms first, and then we'll draw in the rest of the body. So just come down here, you can make 2 little dots, that's gonna be the armpit, and then from here we can draw in the arms. All right, so we're gonna curve out right here, nice and wide. So here's from the inside, we can draw the inside first. Come down, so this is gonna be his elbow. And then now on this side, we're gonna come out, just give it a slight curve. This side, inside, just give it a little bump. So this is gonna be his wrist, and now we're gonna draw in his hands. Okay, and then for his hands, it's a little bit at an angle, so it could be a little bit tricky. Just go all the way down first. Okay, so this is gonna be the tip of the finger. Now I'm gonna come back up here. It's one little curve. Okay, that's gonna be his thumb. And then now we're gonna draw the inside here. Just one little bump. And then come all the way down here. So now between these 2 lines right here, we're drawing the fingers, so that, and there's gonna be 4. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then the last one, just close it off. Okay, so that's one of his arms, and now let's draw in the other one. So again, here's the armpit. Come down here. And then on the outside right here, again, nice and wide. One little bump, same as this. Okay, so just come down, just draw it almost the same length. And then here's the back. And now we're gonna draw in the hands, and this one's slightly different. We're gonna start with the thumb right here first. Come down, just one little hook. Now on this side right here, we're gonna come down. And then here's the back. All right, and then from here, we're gonna draw in the 4 fingers. So I'll make this a little bit longer. So we're gonna go 1, 2, just try to space it out evenly if you can. 3, and then this one actually kind of tucks in. 4. Okay, so now that we have the arm, now we can draw in the body. So this side, again, this is kind of a 3/4 view, so we're not seeing it straight on. That's why it's a little bit trickier. All right, and then for the chest, just come in, and then this side, yeah, 2 little dots here. And now I'm gonna come down right here. So this is gonna be his stomach right here. This is actually going to be part of his leg, right? This part's a little strange. So just draw a little curve coming down all the way to the wrist right here. Now I'm going to come up here. This will be his other leg. So come down. This is going to be his knee. So we'll draw in the back and then we can see this a little bit better. So from the arm right here, we're just going to curve all the way to the knee. Okay, so now that we have this leg right here, this knee, so we're going to come down. And then here's the back. Just give it a slight bump. And then his foot, there's not much detail. Just go out, curve down. Here's the back of the foot. And he's kind of walking slightly, so this part's going to be a little bit higher. Okay, and then once we have this, we can draw in the other leg. So it's going to be back here somewhere. We can continue with this line. Okay, so let's draw a little line here, and then here's the back of the leg. Let's give it a slight bump. And now for his foot, it's going to be pointing this way. So let's go this side first. Here's the back, and then just kind of close it off with a little curve. All right, so now it looks like it's walking, and let's finish up the detail up here. It's got a belly button. So right on this line, just go up. And then for the ab muscles, so right below the chest right here, curve. And we can add in a little bit more detail right here. And then I almost forgot about the collarbone. We should draw that too, right? So come back up here, just come down this side, come down here, and then just go out. Alright, so that is it for this Titan cat. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.